Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsa here, and today we're going to be chatting about all the mods that you need for stage 3. I'm going to be keeping this video very short and very brief, so it's going to be jam-packed with information, so don't skip, watch the whole video, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Cool, stage 3, what do you need to go stage 3? Let's keep it very brief, very simple. Stage 3, you're going to need a different turbo. Hybrid, big turbo, doesn't really matter. Unfortunately, the stock turbo on the ST can only take you up to stage 2, and that's really pushing the boundaries before stuff start going wrong, right? The S280 is rated to up to anywhere from 280 brake up to 360, depending on the supporting mods that you're running. Now, some people might disagree and say that, you know, you can't run 360, you can't even reach 310 brake, this, that, and the third, but it all depends on, you know, your car, the life of the engine, how new it is, how strong it is, your supporting mods, if it's forged or not. It all depends on that. But the turbo itself is rated up to 350 to 360 brake, right? The S280 turbo is a hybrid turbo. It's not a bigger, you know, it has different compressor wheels, different ratios, different bus bearings and all of that. That's how it's making more power. The S280 turbo, how much does it cost? Cool, so I was looking online, digging around, and the cheapest that I've seen is tied place from Left Performance and OC Motorsport, which is around 1300 quid brand new. You can pick it up second hand for around 600-700 quid on Facebook. That's how much I've seen them go for. There's nothing wrong getting it second hand. You can get it brand new, but you're just gonna lose 600 quid down the line. So it's up to you. What's the best intake system for the S280? In my opinion, it would be the SD V3 with the reverse intake, you know, the primary system. That's the best one, you know, the one that sits underneath the headlight, so it sucks up the most amount of air, so it's far away from the engine, so it doesn't suck up any hot air. You're definitely going to want to upgrade and get that intake system, and also you're going to want a cold side intake pipe. You know, a big pipe would do 3 inch, 3.5 inch, or whatever one. Let's chat about the intercoolers now. This is very controversial. Some people are running stage 2 intercoolers at stage 3, so their engines are going to blow up soon. It is what it is. Stage 3, you're going to need a full height cooler. Obviously, you know, the one with the thick and then slim at the top. That one, I'm going to put a picture on the screen. That's the intercooler that you're going to need for the maximum amount of cooling that you need, because you're going to be running great power, big power, fast power. So you're going to want to cool all that charged air. Sweet. So definitely get one, but I do recommend getting a Pro Alloy intercooler, or even an AirTech one, because they got the best ones out there. So yeah. Now let's talk about the torque mounts. Torque mounts, why are you going to need a torque mount? I'll tell you why you're going to need a torque mount. A torque mount is, I can't even talk. Too much talk. A torque mount basically is a mount that's in the engine bay, and that controls the torque. So you know when you put your foot down and the car just whooshes forward and it sends you back into your seat, that's all the torque you're feeling. And there's a mount, and that wears down over time. You're gonna want a hard, stiff mount, just so it's more controlled. That's why you're gonna need a torque mount. It's better for the engine, it's much more safer, so definitely get a torque mount. Let's talk about recirc valves. What is the best recirc valve to get? Go get the Go Fast Bits diverter valve. That's what the GFBDV plus means. Yeah, that's the best one to get for the current setup. You know, sharp throttle response, it works with the OEM ECU, all of that, this, that, and third. I'm going to leave a link to all the parts in the description below, so you guys can go check out yourselves. Cool, so tuning. Let's talk about tuning. This is quite controversial because everybody is biased, everybody has their own experiences, so I can't speak for everyone else. I can only speak for what I've seen. Now, I've seen TRS do some fantabulous work, so I'm probably going to go with TRS or DWA Performance. So I'm gonna get their stage 3 performance. So yeah, they're great at tuning from what I've seen. Like I said, it's my opinion. If you don't like it, bite it. You man can go check out, you know, Puma Speed or even West Yorkshire Tuning, or even Revo, or even AET. It depends, you know, but I'm gonna go with TRS because they showed me hella love, so might as well return the favor. Pause, not like that. So exhaust system. What exhaust system are you gonna need? So you're gonna get a D cap, or a sports cap. I covered this in my last stage 2 video, so go check that out. Miltech non-res catback exhaust. I'm not saying it's the best one out there, but that's standard. You can have a ported manifold if you want, you know, to get them extra gains, extra torque. Or you can even get a manifold spacer and a throttle body spacer that will give you like 10 foot-pounds of torque according to Boomba Racing. So yeah, so that's currently the fastest setup that you can attain on a stock engine, stock clutch and stock gearbox, right? Any more than that, you are putting your car at risk. That's what I'm saying. Even getting a remap is putting your car at risk because, you know, it's not made for, you know. That's for another video anyway. So yeah, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you watched to the end of this video, comment bananas, yeah, so I know that you man actually watched the video. So yeah, it's been your boy Shamsy signing out. Peace.